Hi guys, this is GSMDom.com and I'm here with another unboxing of the HTC One V model. You saw reviews of the HTC One X and the One S, and now the final model of the HTC One series, the One V, is here. It was also unveiled at Mobile World Congress, just like the other One series models, and it can considered from the same family of the HTC Legend. It has this nice chin, a reminiscence of older Android phones. Let's remove this plastic layer. This is the HTC One V. This is the Jupiter Rock color. It's also available in black, and it costs around 300 euros or so. It's got a 5 megapixel camera with flash, but more about that in the review. Let's see what's inside the box. As usual, we have these pamphlets and manuals teaching us how to use the device in all languages possible. And here we have a set of headphones. These are not Beats headphones. The phone does support Beats, as you can see, Beats Audio. We also have a micro USB cable, and finally this big charger that maybe will require an adapter in some countries. As you can see, the box is a bit taller than the HTC One S and the One X, probably because of this adapter. Now let's start the phone, see what it can do. It's got 3 capacitive buttons at the bottom. It runs Android 4.0 with HTC Sense 4.0. This is a 3.7-inch display. At the back, 5 megapixel camera with flash, 9.2mm in thickness, 1 GHz CPU inside, and over the next couple of days we'll see what the camera can do, how good is the screen, how the newest apps run on it, and other stuff like that. But for now we're completing the initial setup process to enter the main interface. As you can see, you can get to 25 gigs of Dropbox storage on this model as well, like the other One devices. So as I said, it has a 1 GHz CPU, 3.7-inch display, compared to the other models that had a 4.3-inch display, the One S, and 4.7-inch, the One X. Here we are, this is the interface. If you saw a review of the other One models, you already know this interface, HTC Sense 4.0, with the apps section that has a Play Store link, with the settings moved to the notification area, and with the multitasking button triggering, well, the multitasking option. As you can see, this time the multitasking, let's enter something like the task manager, settings, personalize. As you can see, the multitasking is just like on the standard Android 4.0 phones. You swipe to the right and that's it. The HTC One S and the One X had a different multitasking option. The applications that were open in a special area with the preview thumbnails, and you swipe them up to get rid of them. This time is different, it's the standard multitasking. Well, anyway, HTC Sense 4.0 is here in a cheaper package, a phone with a chin, with a metallic case, or at least it's metallic feeling. So we'll be back in a couple of days for a review on gsmdom.com. Till then, I'll let you enjoy this unboxing, and we'll be back with some more articles about this phone. This is it, GSM Dom wishes you a good day, and bye bye.